How to edit your story privacy on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your story privacy on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here click on your story. For example, all you need to do is click on those 3 points and now you're gonna find edit story privacy, which is the first one, and click on it. Now all you need to do is you have your story privacy. It will be visible for 24 hours on Facebook and Messenger. All you need to do is click on choose if you want all the public to see your story, or just your friends, or to hide story from someone or something. And this is it. Click on it and you're gonna edit your privacy. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.